welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing this wig that I'm wearing right here, which is the Neesha wig. It's one of many. This is the Neesha 201 wig, and I am wearing the color DR2730. This wig cost me about $36.99 plus tax is $40 on Amazon, which I will leave the description. Well, I will leave the link in the description below. But this wig is nice, a nice yaki texture wig, very natural. You have Swiss lace from ear to ear, and then you have that going through the part in the middle, which looks so good. I didn't do anything to it, just put some foundation on it before I put it on. You can add heat to this wig, which is a good thing. Also, it comes in 5 different colors. You get cinnamon spice, copper, brown, cherry, and butterscotch. Butterscotch looking a little 613 to me. But otherwise, this wig is good, very natural looking. Like I said, you put it on and go. You can use this wig for whatever occasion you want to. But I have ordered this wig before in the color DRFF Honey Brown, and I really like that. It's the one that you have the blonde in the front and then the rest is like a darker brown color. That one was cute. I did order this one before also, but I have not tried the black one, which I know is gonna look so good, and I cannot wait to try that one. But you could just put these wigs on. This flip here, this little flip here is everything, but you know what? It's not gonna last forever. So what you do is you just gonna keep flat ironing it. It's gonna be like a straight little wig, and that's fine too, because that's cute too. It still look natural and it still look good. So yes, I recommend this wig. Y'all get this wig. Get this wig. It's affordable. $36.99. I mean $40. Come on. I really like this wig. I really like this wig. You ain't gotta do too much to it. You ain't gotta do too much caring for it. Just put it on and go. Take it off. You might want to put it back in the bag, but take it off, put it back on. And like I said, when these flips and stuff start going away and it start looking wild, just flat iron it, hot comb it, do whatever you want to do, and it'll be fine. I don't try to put no flips back in this wig because some synthetic wigs do not flip. You'll be at that all day long. So that's it for this wig review. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.